Going back home. Might go a different way. That car fully threw me off. Hey everyone, it's Sketch83. My fiance and I just finished eating Subway for dinner. I made a video, a vlog on the way here from my house, but yeah, it didn't turn out good, because I didn't even know what I was saying. I was getting used to the bike because it started to feel weird today. I thought that was actually a lot better and smoother. And we're just going a different way from my place. So yeah, in case you haven't noticed, I decided to film same angle as High on Stress when he had his old camera, when he was actually riding with the Ninja 250. Since I'm riding the new Ninja 250, I might as well do the same thing. But no, really, I just couldn't work it with this camera in front of my face. It was just blocking too much of my view, and having it in this angle makes it a lot better. I still see perfectly. Until I get a new camera, then I can actually film better. So my first video, what I was talking about was this bike after riding at Colo, which is my first time riding in such a long stretch of road. What is this van doing? On such a long stretch of road. After riding it, first of all, it felt like I worn it out too much. I was afraid that my battery was going flat. And then ride it tonight. What is this guy doing? You guys couldn't see that, I just realized my visor was like half up. Mainly because I was fogging up. Okay, maybe I should wait for her. I'm gonna go slow. Is that her? If any of you guys have any advice on to better my riding, let me know, because I know I'm not great learning. Mind you, I'd never driven a manual car prior to me riding a bike, so anything to help me out would be appreciated. But so far I'm quite happy. Alright, see you later.